Cup milk. 1/2 cup condensed milk. Cook on medium flame for 3 minutes. 1/2 cup milk and 2 tablespoons corn flour. Mix well. Add cornflour mixture. Stir continuously. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Beat well until smooth. One-half cup mango pulp. 200 grams fresh cream. Mix well. Mango chunks. 1 cup banana slices. 1 cup apple cut in small pieces. 2 tablespoons almond chopped. 1 cup strawberry jelly cut in cubes. Mix well.